Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the Feather Touch Digital Thickness Tester, or otherwise commonly called the thickness gauge. So this device sits approximately here on the lab bench between the random tumble pilling tester and the digital scale. It does have a battery in it, and so to get it ready to go, there's also these directions, and they're usually kept in this drawer down here. And they do tell you really easily how to, they tell you a lot of, not things you don't need to know, but how to use it. But basically, you need to turn it on. So it's this green button that says on or clear. So I just push it, and it should come up 0.00. The units are in millimeters, or mm, and that's what we want. And this is the presser foot lever that you move very gently and put it down very gently. You don't slap it, and you don't let the anvil go down quickly. It even does say in the directions that it can mess it up, so you have to be real careful with it. There's not much to this device, but that's nice. I like things that are easy. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is, as far as the size of the specimen, it's supposed to be at least 20% larger than the presser foot. I've actually measured it. I've measured it in both inches and in millimeters, and I have calculated it, and the smallest die cutter, which I would recommend you use, is at least 20% larger. So that's what we're going to do, and I'm holding the tweezers for that. But anyway, so we turn this on. When we're ready to use it, we would use the tweezers to place the fabric specimen. We lift this up slowly, place it on the base, and then lower the anvil, and you would do the reading in whatever 0.00 millimeters. You do carry it to two places, to the right of the decimal. So let me show you the die cutter and the specimens. So the die cutter is over here by the Martindale abrasion tester, and it is usually the one that's sitting out, so it's the smallest. So it's the inner circle that is actually the die cutter. You don't want to put this on your hand. It does have little razor blades that come out. So there's a couple ways you can get the little circles, and they basically look like this. These should also be free from any wrinkles or anything like that, so you might actually have to press these specimens because that can mess it up. So you can also use this template that somebody cut out, and it is the same size as the die. So you could put this on your fabric and go around it with a marking device and then cut it out. So on the die cutter, you might need to mess with this because we usually have it disengaged so that the blades don't come out. But you would pull it up and then move. It's got some little pins, and you want those to engage at the like 12 and 6 o'clock position. And then when you do that and turn it, there are little blades here that cut your fabric. A lot of people don't like this. It sometimes doesn't work all that great. So you push down. It's kind of like a cookie cutter, and you turn. And you don't want to slide it like I did. And here's your specimen. Okay, now mine did slide around a little bit, so this probably isn't too accurate, so I would not use this one, okay? It's a little jagged. If you place it in the hole, you can see that it is approximately that size, okay? Anyway, so that's my epic fail, trying to get my holes out of the fabric. So this is sitting back here. I'm going to disengage this so that somebody doesn't grab it and hurt themselves, and it sits back here with the template. We have already cut a couple circles, so I'm just going to use these, and I'm going to put tweezers in here because I want you to handle these things with tweezers, not with your fingers, because your fingers have moisture and things on them, and it can actually mess it up and make it way more, or make it thicker maybe. So what you're going to do is, and you would probably make sure some of these things are a little flat. You will take the specimen, you will put the anvil up very slowly, place the specimen on the base, pretty much in the center, and then lower the presser foot very slowly. Again, you don't let it go, and it's coming in at approximately 0.46. Now, everyone in the group will have one circle. We'll do 5 total. You're going to average those. I don't know if they will all turn out to be the same. Let's check. There's one. We've got 3 cuts, so we'll just go ahead and Dry this very slowly. 0.46. This one has a yarn on the back, which could mess it up. The test method actually says you are supposed to put these fabrics face up. We don't have anything with a pile or anything, so. This one's measuring 0.48. Nope, went down to 0.46. All right, so you would just record those, and when you're done, you're just gonna turn it off, and it's just a simple click of the off button, and it goes off. So it's as simple as that.